Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana, which was recently renamed as the PMJAY or the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, was established in the year 2008 on 23rd September. The scheme was initiated by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, to reach out and help the unprivileged class of the society. The scheme was initiated to cover cashless health care treatment for families having an annual income of 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs in all the registered public and private hospitals anywhere in the country. The scheme has coverage of 3 to 4 days pre-hospitalization and 14 to 15 days post-hospitalization expenses. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana covers all the secondary and tertiary health care. Over 10 crore families have their names enrolled for the Ayushman Bharat Yojana, where the scheme provides for almost rupees 5 lakh per family. In the rural areas, the plan mainly covers for scheduled tribe and scheduled castes households, families who were bonded laborers once. A family that does not have any member within the age group of 16 to 59. While in the urban areas, the scheme is mainly applicable for rag pickers, washermen, guards, home-based artisans, and many more low-income groups. The government job holders, people living in decent houses whose monthly income is above rupees 10,000 etc. are not subjected to be eligible for enrolling themselves for the scheme. Some of the significant operations enlisted in this scheme are skull-based surgery, double valve replacement, prostate cancer, pulmonary valve replacement, tissue expander for disfigurement following burns, angioplasty, laryngectomy with gastric pull-up, and many more. The patients who are registered under the Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme can obtain these operations for free in the selected hospitals. Issues like OPD, organ transplants, related cosmetic procedures, drug rehabilitation, etc. are not included in the program. The Ayushman Bharat National Health Protection Mission Council, or the ABNHPMC, has stepped up to give directions and look over the central and state coordination with a council that has the Union Health and Family Welfare Minister as its chairman. The PMJAY scheme is valid in all the Union territories and 26 states excluding Telangana, West Bengal, and Odisha amongst the states, and Delhi amongst the Union territories. India is a country where a large number of people suffer from major diseases due to poverty and poor living standards, and Ayushman Bharat Yojana helps people dwell with them. The program did not have a smooth start, but with time gradually it is providing itself very helpful. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana registration process is easy and it allows people to safeguard their families. Stop.